Welcome back to We Are Austin. Many of us want to look and feel our best for the holidays, but don't need or aren't ready for plastic surgery. Luckily, there is Embrace RF, a new technique that can give you impressive results right in the doctor's office. Joining us with more is Dr. Sarah Saxon, a double board certified facial plastic and reconstructive surgeon located in downtown Austin. It's nice to have you in our studio today.
Thank you for having me.
You look lovely.
Thank you.
We're excited to learn more about this. What exactly is Embrace RF procedure?
So we've all heard about facelifts, and I still offer facelifts all the time on a daily basis in my practice. But a lot of my patients aren't really ready for that time investment and money investment, actually. And so Embrace RF is the next best thing. It uses tiny little needle pokes to insert a device to tighten the skin on the undersurface and on the surface of the skin.
And so we're seeing some video of that right now. What exactly are we looking at?
So the first step of the Embrace RF procedure is using FaceTight, and you can see the device working in this video, and it involves a component that goes under the skin and a component that goes over the skin. And there's heat energy that's delivered in between those two components. And so afterwards, over approximately a year, the skin will continue to tighten and the fat underneath the skin will melt.
Interesting. Yeah, can you speak a bit more about what the results are like and what does that downtime look like after having the procedure?
Yeah, so approximately you'll have about 30% skin tightening after the procedure. Of course, it's not equivalent to a facelift, but most people are really impressed with the results because the downtime is only about 2 or 3 days.
Oh, wow.
And you can go back to work, back to your day-to-day life. And so in the grand scheme of things, it's worth it to have some improvement without that investment.
And you can plan it into your schedule, like you're saying. So how do you compare this to other minimally invasive procedures?
So like you said, it's minimally invasive, so it's not non-invasive, so it does require a surgeon to do the procedure. You're not going to see Embrace RF in a med spa.
Okay.
And so, but with that being said, most of the treatments out there now are either under the skin or on top of the skin, and this has both.
Interesting.
And so because of that, you're actually seeing much more impressive results than I'm used to with other devices.
Yeah, how interesting. Who would you say might be a good candidate for something like this?
So usually, and I have these type of patients come in my office all the time. They're late 30s to early 50s, just starting to see a little bit of looseness under the chin, maybe a little bit of fullness, and they need a little bit of tightening, but not to the point of saying, oh yeah, I want to have surgery. And so this is done right in my office in about an hour's time, and truly happy in about a month after recovery.
Yeah, that is so neat to hear. What else would you want people to know about this procedure or to consider if they were thinking about it?
I think if you want something that you can do over the weekend, so usually I'll schedule these cases on about a Thursday, and you can go back to work on a Monday.
Wow. Yeah.
And so that's pretty dramatic, and no other time has there been a procedure that you could do that quickly and still be happy with the results.
And we're looking at more video right now. What is that we're seeing?
So the second part of the Embrace RF procedure is using another device called Morpheus 8. And so Morpheus is a radiofrequency microneedling device. So some people have heard of vampire facelifts. This is the same sort of device using tiny needles, but we're adding heat energy to it. And so it goes much deeper, and actually you get much more skin tightening and wrinkle reduction.
Yeah.
And so this is the step 2 of the Embrace RF procedure.
It sounds like by and large the results are really positive and that you get very positive feedback from your patients.
I'm very excited about this technology because I can offer it to my patients are happy, and when my patients are happy, I'm happy.
You're happy, yeah. And when you can do it over a weekend and go back to life on Monday, that's a win for everybody.
Yes.
Thanks for sharing that with us so we could learn more about it. Where can we go for more information or if someone's interested in considering this?
Yeah, so we'll be posting videos on this device on our Instagram at SaxonMD and then our website, saxonmd.com.
Thanks for being here.
Happy to have you.